I'm going to show you how to use our online Holman conference scheduler. So if you want to schedule your child for a parent-teacher conference, you click on the link and it takes you to a page that looks like this. This will list every team that is offering conferences and every individual teacher offering conferences. Team teachers have every member of that team meeting with parents at the same time. Teams offer 2 time blocks for each time slot, or 2 time slots for each time block. So, for example, there will be 2 6 p.m. conferences for each individual team. Any multi-grade conference, since there's only one person that you're meeting with, they only are able to have 1 time slot per person. Now, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to choose the team that I want to have a conference with. Now, you can schedule multiple conferences by checking on multiple teams and multiple people. And if I check these boxes and I hit submit, it's going to then ask me, hey, you've been selected 3 student conferences. Are these all for 1 student? Are these for more than 1 student? Or you can go back and make some changes. So if these are all for 1 student, I choose. I type in my student's name, first and last, and then I go ahead and type in the name of the person that will be attending the conference. You'll go ahead and type in your email address twice, and you can type in a phone number if you'd like and go ahead and hit submit. Now, it's going to send you an email, and in that email you will receive a link that says select your date and time for teacher conferences. And when I open it, it says thank you for registering. Click here to select your conference time. So when I click on this link, it's going to then open up and show me all of the teams or people that I've selected conferences with, and it'll show me any available times they have. If it's green and has a checkbox, that means it's available. If it's red, it'll say unavailable. So I can pick and choose any dates or times that I might want. If I check a time, it'll automatically put my student's name in that box. And once I'm finished adding all of my dates and times, I can go ahead and scroll down and I'll hit confirm selections. Once I've confirmed my selections, it tells me to thank you for signing up. And it's going to send me another email, and this email is important if I ever need to go back and make changes. This is how I'll do that. So in my email I have another one that says appointment confirmation. It confirms any appointments that I've made, and if I have not yet registered for anything I said I wanted to, this allows me to go back in and change those as well. But every individual conference has an entry code. And if I would need to make a change for whatever reason, I go ahead and click on the entry code next to that conference. So this is my test conference here. I click on it. It takes me back to where I had entered in that conference name. I can now choose a different time, or at the top there's an option to remove this appointment. Whatever changes I make, I go ahead and scroll down to the bottom and make sure I confirm those changes, and it will make those changes in my conference time. Now, the system will also send you an email periodically reminding you of your conference time. Be looking for any email that's coming from PTC for ParentTeacherConferenceFast.com.